Okay, I want to show you something. I just met it. I decided to maybe make a video of it so that some of you will understand why some people pay for TMA. It's not an easy journey. Let me show you. This question says, which of the following managerial function is concerned with defining workforce requirement? The correct answer should be staffing. But in the past TMA, it had been leading. Okay, well, how is it correct? Let's say we pick a phrase, which of the following managerial function? Defining workforce requirement. Let's pick this part of the question and search the material, the textbook for this course, where the question came from, which I have opened here. Let's search. You can see that this appeared only once in this document. This phrase I just copied, it appeared only once in this document. That's why you're seeing 1/1 here. And under this staffing section, read it again and you will understand. Leading is on decision making. Well, leading would be somewhere. Look at this, it's here. Is the notion that leaders are individuals who by their action facilitate the movement. This leadership, right? Good. If I change this to staffing and submit this, I risk losing 1 mark, even though I know it's correct. This is because I know. But what about those who doesn't know, who does not have access to the correct past TMA question for this course? So this is not always the case anywhere. It's not always like this. But in this particular scenario, I will be submitting it using the past answer, even though I know the correct answer is staffing. If I score 10/10 here, it means the system still maintains the old answer. If it is 9/10, you know it's not this pattern that we've been using. If it's 9/10, then you see 10/10 leading, even though the correct answer is staffing. So that is why students seek for assistance from people who know how the system works. In the system, in the database for this question, the answer there is leading. However, the correct answer is actually staffing. It's not that it's always like this, but I wanted to show you that most times you see students scoring lower than what they are supposed to score. In most cases, is because of situations like that. Even though the correct answer, based on what is on the course material, is there, the system, they will, do you know why? Let me tell you why. In previous years, they used an app that helps with these TMAs. So students never really read questions. They just pay and they get 10/10. That is why. The application submits, so nobody knows which one is wrong and which one is not wrong. Yet those questions are still reimagined. They are still coming up every semester. So for the system to get rid of these messes, the whole questions will have to be reset, like fresh questions. Delete everything they have in the system and set fresh questions. But when will it be done? No, just saying.